someone who was picked up like a net.
And kuba nenkinga mase kungaphandle kubonakala ungadingeki kuye
They're outside.
but ngiyathanda umuntu
But I'd like a person
othanda kushunyayelwa
that when the word fell
othanda kufundiswa
and when the word was read
ngezwi likaNkulunkulu
by the word of God
lamhlaba
and it struck her.
ngoba simphumela yegazi
And we, because we are the result of
Sizelwe
the
enxebeni
we are born of the womb.
ngesikhathi uJesu ehlatshwa ehlangothini
Just as he was stricken on the
lisho
side,
kahle lithi ke lelo gazi namanzi
that water
lithi
and blood
enxebeni
in
lakhe
the womb,
kwaphuma igazi
they came out blood
kwaphuma amanzi
and they came out water.
kwazalwa ibandla.
And that is how we came about.
So umuntu ohlatshwa izwi nenxeba
Someone who is driven by the word
that's
has
why umntwana enxeba uyazi
and that's why when a child
uyakhetha bakuthwala nala unyathela
you
khona
bring where you step
imfila uthi lapha ngoba uyazi ukuthi
and where
unesiyona
you step because
esingathulukazi
you know that there is pain.
umzalwane ongazalwanga
And a
enxebeni
person who is not born of the
kunezinto engamthinti ngoba
things that
ngathulukanga
don't affect him because it's not painful.
kabalingana abantu abangazalwa
I wish there could be more people who
namhlanje
born
nomefana
just
bekhona
this nice that was
noma befana bathi basindisiwe
who just say that they are
balangani bangathi ngazalwa
I wish
kabusha
they could say that we reborn.
sizalelwe
We were
enxebeni
born through the womb.